Hello everyone, welcome back to the tenorshare channel. Do you know how to transfer pictures from an iPhone to an Android phone? If you've recently switched to an Android, you might have run into this problem. Don't worry, I've been there too. Today I'm going to show you two simple ways to transfer photos from an iPhone to an Android phone. Let's get started. Method 1, using Google Drive. First, download the Google Drive app from the App Store and open it. Sign in with your Google account, then go to the Files tab at the bottom right and tap the plus sign. Select Create Folder, open the folder you created, then tap the plus sign at the bottom right again and choose Upload Files. You can select the photos and videos you want to transfer. Wait for the upload to finish. To continue, open Google Drive on your Android device and sign in with the same Google account you used to create the folder. Find the folder and tap to open it. To select and download multiple photos, long press one file, then tap Select All in the top right. After that, tap the three dots in the top right and select Download. Your photos will be transferred to your Android device, and that's it. You've successfully moved photos from your iPhone to Android, but honestly this method is a bit complicated and only gives 15 gigabytes of free storage. If you want to transfer large files or move photos and videos from iPhone to Android more quickly and directly, I recommend using another method, a professional tool called iCareFone iTransGo. Method 2, using iCareFone iTransGo. iCareFone iTransGo is a powerful data transfer program that simplifies moving videos, photos, music, contacts, and even messages from iPhone to Android in just 3 easy steps. If you're interested, a download link is provided in the description. After installing iTransGo, connect both your iPhone and Android device to your computer. Open the program, and you'll notice it supports data transfer between iOS and Android devices. Choose the iOS to Android option, and you can select the type of data to transfer, including photos, music, contacts, and videos. In this tutorial, we'll focus on photos only. Once you start scanning, the data transfer from iPhone to Android will begin. After the scan is complete, select Transfer Data to move your videos from iPhone to Android. You'll find the transfer process is fast, with photos transferring one by one while maintaining speed and stability. Once the transfer is done, open the Gallery or Photos app on your Android device to see all the transferred photos. The whole process is simple and straightforward, ensuring fast, high-quality transfer of large videos from iPhone to Android without any hassle. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips on smart transfers. Thanks for watching. See you next time.